Important questions of material science. First question, which one is non-metal? Answer is graphite. Which metal contains iron as a major content? Answer is ferrous metal. What is the name of the metal which do not contain iron? Non-ferrous metals doesn't contain iron. Which one of the following properties is the mechanical properties of metal? Ductility is mechanical property. Remaining are physical properties. Which is brittle metal? Cast iron is brittle. Which mechanical property of a metal offers resistance to elastic deformation in a cutting tool? Answer is hardness. Which property of material enables to formation of permanent deformation without fracture? Answer is plasticity. Which property of metal has its power of returning to its original shape after the applied force is released? It is elasticity. Which property of a metal possessed by it melts when heat is applied? The property is called fusibility. Which alloy used in electric lamp as filament? Tungsten is used as filament. What metals contained in brass alloy? Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Which cast iron cannot be welded? White cast iron cannot be welded because when it is heated, it doesn't melt, it turns into a thick paste. Which metal cannot be forged? Cast iron cannot be forged because it is brittle. Which metal is widely used for making casting of machinery parts? For casting, grey cast iron is used. Which furnace is used to get pig iron from iron ore? Blast furnace is used to extract pig iron. What is the name of furnace to obtain cast iron? It is cupola furnace. What is the other name of low carbon steel? Low carbon steel is also called mild steel. What is the carbon percentage in medium carbon steel? It is from 0.25% to 0.5%. What is the carbon percentage in low carbon steel? 0.15% to 0.25%. What is the carbon percentage in high carbon steel? 0.5% to 1.5%. What is the ore of aluminium? Aluminium ore is bauxite. Which property of a metal enables it by which it can be drawn out into wires under tension without rupture? The property is ductility. Which among the following is an insulator? Answer is mica. Remaining are good conductors of heat and electricity. Which rubber is used as insulator for power cables and control wires? Answer is silicon rubber. Which alloy steel is used to make permanent magnets? Answer is cobalt steel. Which insulator is used in overhead lines? Porcelain. Which insulating material is used for making switches? Bakelite. What is the name of the property of an insulation that should break down or puncture on application of high voltage? The property is dielectric strength. Which alloy steel is used for making precious instruments? Answer is inverse steel. Which steel is used for making files and cold chisel? Answer is high carbon steel.